Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, June 14th. Well, the threat for severe weather is over. This morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region, there were quite a few wind reports yesterday reported to NOAA, especially from the Pennsylvania-Maryland border on south and east down into the Carolinas. One tornado was spotted on the ground in northern Maryland, a city called Montgomery, Maryland. Here is the report from yesterday's activity. Really two separate lines came through much of the Mid-Atlantic region. One strong line came through southeastern Pennsylvania down to the D.C. metro region in the mid to late morning hours, causing some power outages and dark skies and some brief downpours. And then from the Pennsylvania-Maryland border on south, there was another batch in the warm sector late in the afternoon, early part of the evening, and that too had some wind damage reports associated with it. But again, for the most part, in extreme southeastern Pennsylvania on south and east here in the Mid-Atlantic region, with this one red dot right here, that is a tornado confirmed on the ground in a town called Montgomery, Maryland. Now this morning, there are some quite a few power outages reported in Long Island, and there were many power outages yesterday across southeastern Pennsylvania associated with that morning line of thunderstorms. We have basically a nor'easter right now pulling north and east along the New England coast, causing some of these power outages with some stiff northeast winds. Here's the current surface pressure field, and again, low pressure for this time of the year, unusually low pressure readings at the center of this storm, about 998 millibars. Right off the New England coast, causing some strong winds along the coastal region of New England with some heavy rainfall and some scattered showers all the way down into the southern part of the Mid-Atlantic region, down to the Delmarva. And again, it'll be somewhat unstable for the next several hours with some lingering showers and quite breezy and cool conditions from New York southward to Philadelphia and D.C. The real clearing takes place overnight tonight, and Saturday promises to be a very nice day in the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, here's a current GOES infrared satellite loop from the Wisconsin SSEC website. There's a spin in the atmosphere right here, quite a healthy looking nor'easter type of system, 998 millibar at the center of this storm in terms of surface pressure. Some low clouds hanging along the I-95 corridor from D.C. north and east up across New York City with a few scattered showers. Definitely cooler than normal for this time of the year. Normal high right now in Philadelphia is about 82 degrees and will be perhaps as much as about 10 degrees below that today across southeastern Pennsylvania with highs only in the low 70s. Now look at here upstream, another active scenario here with batches of showers and thunderstorms across the northern and central plains, and indeed we have another round of unsettled weather coming into the Mid-Atlantic region for the latter part of the weekend, probably late Sunday evening, and then continuing into Monday and Tuesday, there will be the threat for some showers and thunderstorms. Another very warm day here in the southern Rockies. Denver should reach 90 degrees again today, but much more comfortable conditions this weekend with highs closer to 80 degrees both Saturday and Sunday. Meanwhile, typical June type weather here in Southern California with late night and early morning low clouds and fog, giving way to some afternoon clearing skies in the Los Angeles region, and generally seasonably cool afternoon highs along the coast in the upper 60s. Well, here's a nationwide look at the current radar, and again, heavy rain along the southern New England coastline associated with that nor'easter. Some scattered lighter showers down across the I-95 corridor from New York southwestward across Philadelphia into the D.C. metro region. But upstream, here we go again, another batch of scattered showers and thunderstorms. All of this will head slowly to the south and east, causing quite a bit of instability and unsettled weather conditions here in the Mid-Atlantic region late on Sunday and especially on Monday and Tuesday. Well, let's take a look at some GFS forecast maps, surface forecast maps for the next few days. We'll look at 24-hour increments. This is from last night's 0Z model run. This is the forecast map for this evening. Still some light precipitation deposited here by the GFS model by this evening. Again, some scattered showers, but nothing too heavy or severe in the Mid-Atlantic region. Cool, breezy, as this nor'easter slowly pulls away from the New England coast over the next several hours. High pressure here over the Great Lakes moves in to the Mid-Atlantic region on Saturday. And Saturday indeed will be quite a nice day. Let's jump ahead to Saturday evening forecast map. And here it is, quite a nice day for the Mid-Atlantic region on Saturday. High pressure controls the weather with comfortable temperatures and humidity values. High temperatures somewhere not far from 80 degrees in most locations. Very pleasantly warm for this time of the year. But some moisture gathering in the middle part of the country and the western part of the Midwest, headed our way for the latter part of Father's Day on Sunday. And let's jump ahead now to Sunday evening forecast map. And here we go again, just something we've seen quite a bit over the last few weeks in this active pattern, a large area of moisture. And when you see a large, slow-moving area of moisture, you know you're going to be unsettled for quite a few days. And indeed, this is the forecast map for late Sunday. A little bit of a trough of low pressure depicted by the GFS model along the East Coast by late Sunday. So certainly during the afternoon and evening hours on Sunday, Father's Day, there can be a few showers and thunderstorms. And given this extent of this moisture field, indeed, it looks like that'll continue on Monday and Tuesday as well. In fact, let's take a look at the Monday evening GFS forecast map. And here is a forecast map for Monday evening. Still a large extent of precipitation. If anything, it looks like a little bit heavier precipitation now, and in fact there may be a little bit heavier precipitation along around Tuesday here in the Mid-Atlantic region as low pressure tries to develop in this unsettled weather pattern. So a very nice day coming on Saturday after a few lingering showers today, and then more unsettled weather moves in for the latter part of the weekend and the early part of next week here in the Mid-Atlantic I-95 corridor. That's it for now for the SIweather.com. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.